how to fold a Style 2 box. Here's the box you would receive, nice and flat, never folded. That's what it looks like. Here's what the box looks like folded, ready to sell lip balms. So let's unfold the box and we'll go through how to fold it. Okay, here it is all nice and flat. First thing we want to do is fold it up from the bottom. On this line here is where we're going to fold. So we're going to fold straight up like that. Next, we're going to fold on this line here. Fold that down. Next, we'll fold the two flaps in. We'll do the same to the top. We're going to fold it up at this line here and fold the flaps in. So this is what you've got. Then you want to fold the sides up and in, up and in, and you can see the little tabs fit into the little slots there. Then all that's left to do, fold the top down, and you're ready to sell lip balms. Thanks for watching.